home, just breathe.
Every year, the National Association of Teachers of Singing holds competitions throughout the country, and the competition we competed in was the Central Region competition. And so we competed against students from schools across the Midwest, and particularly Illinois, Missouri, and Iowa. And so the cool thing about it is that the students who did well in this competition, who received the top prizes, are eligible then to go to nationals. And the students have the opportunity to advance and to compete against the top tier singers from all the regions throughout the United States. We had 7 award winners in terms of 3rd, 2nd, or 1st place from Millikin, and we had 2 honorable mentions and another 4 in the semifinals. So we really were very proud of our students.
I won 1st place in the lower college musical theater division for women. I sang the song Breathe from In the Heights, and it just means a lot to me because I'm the first person in my generation to go into something other than nursing. And in the song she goes, I'm the one who made it out, and it just relates a lot to me. My favorite thing about performing is people telling me that I've inspired them, and that's definitely the biggest thing. Like after a performance, like people would sit and talk to me, like instead of just saying like, oh, good job on your performance, like they'd tell me how much impact I put on them. Throughout my 2nd semester, I realized how much I like putting an impact on people more than I like performing. So that's what led me to change my major to theater and human services. So like I like to inspire people, I like to help people. I want to perform professionally in Chicago, and during the day, like I want to counsel.
I placed 2nd place in the lower underclassmen classical edition. I sang the Red Dress by Ricky and Gordon. The way that it's written kind of resonated with me just because the whole song is like this woman, she pictured herself in buying this dress one day and meeting a man who treated her like nothing else mattered, and then at the end of the song she says, I have this stupid gown now, like nothing else happened. And so it's kind of like, in this place in my life, it's kind of cool how like things are actually happening from when I imagined them when I was little, so it's exciting to see how similar but different it kind of goes. I really think that the education and the opportunities that we get at Millikin are like no other. I feel like they really care about us and who we are going to be after school. I've never taken voice lessons before coming here, so to actually get that training that I've always wanted is really incredible.
I finished 3rd in lower college level women for classical division, and I sung Zueignung by Strauss. I really feel like it sits well in my range, and it's a gorgeous piece. I see myself as an opera singer, and I just have this passion and drive and love of performance, and I know if I really work hard and get my name out there, I could do it. I started taking voice lessons when I was 11, and I was immediately put into classical rep. I've just always had this love for classical music. I don't know where it really came from. I guess growing up hearing it, I've just always really had this love for opera and just the glamour of it, and just seeing the reaction from the audience and taking them away from whatever stress they could be feeling at the moment, and just giving them an hour or 2, a recital or a show where they can just relax and leave all their troubles at the door and just enjoy music.
I sang Out There from The Hunchback of Notre Dame, and it's just really powerful. It's a well-known song, but I feel like you can bring something to it each time you do it. Millikin has really given me confidence in my work. It's been nice to have people who support me and are actively encouraging me to follow my passions and improve myself, not only as a performer and artist and just as a human being. It's such a wonderful feeling to have just a group of people who really support you, and no matter what happens on the stage, just to have somebody who really cares about what you're doing in class and to see how you're improving in any capacity. It's really nice to have teachers who are actively helping.
You know, one of the special things about Millikin is that we prioritize all majors. You know, a lot of universities you would go to attend and they would be prioritizing their performance majors. Well, here I think it speaks to the validity of the program and the opportunities we provide, because the winners for us this year were a real mix of majors. We had BA Theater and Human Services, of course we had Vocal Performance, Musical Theater, and so I think it's a really special dynamic here because we prioritize everybody on an equal playing field and give them the opportunities. You know, when you leave Millikin, when you leave your academic training, you're going to head out into the real world to audition, and they want to see you deliver. And I think it speaks volumes to the program and to what we're able to provide to all majors here, that we had such success across majors and disciplines.